Hey guys, this is RDB from the Shark Trader. I decided today to make this video to give you guys a view about the oil, as the oil is now very important and everyone looking what to do, and everyone don't even know what they're looking for. I just came today to protect your account so you don't blow up before the market moves and before you miss the big moves to the upside. And also we'll be looking for giving you our view on gold and DXY. So and we'll see if we add something else. Okay, so let's start with our oil. And I'm deciding to do oil for you guys from weekly coming down and tell you what we see in there. So this is already gone weekly, guys. We had this move, we had a correction, a beautiful correction, 5 waves to the downside, and next we are expecting an up move like this. Okay, we can see this is coming, guys. We will hit the 100 very soon, not very soon, sorry, but we will hit the 100, and this is the bottom. So this is what I see on weekly, and I see this structure is finished, and this was contracting flat, and that's it, the correction is done. And let's go back to daily and see what we have in there. So I can see on daily we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside, and now we're expecting either this is the start and we're going, or this is A, B, C and we're coming down. And I'm more likely saying this is going to do like this and come down. Let me quickly show you why and explain. Okay, sorry guys. Just let me just put this music down a little bit. I didn't mean to put this strong one there. So guys, we are back and we are anticipating that don't move. The reason is we see here is 5 waves to the downside, and this my labeling in there, and this where we see our biggest structure is that. Okay, we see that we are in the 4th wave, 5th. Why? We see this is not completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what's the good point, guys? That last piece is 5 waves to the downside, and this is completed. So in any cases, anyway, the chart can't drop more than that. We already know around the 1. So if you trade, you now is your stop loss is the 0, of course, and we will never hit there. But anyway, let's say any buy you take here, it's good, it's not bad. Now you can start buy. You guys was going to buy from the top. I came here and I said don't buy because we are going to drop more. Don't blow up your account before the market moves to the upside. I hope you're not one of the people that blowed up their account and they contact me and tell me I wish we listen to you. See, I post this everywhere, guys. Said don't buy at the bottom because this can drop more. We was here and they just crashed. Anyway, now we either will have this and drop, or this absolutely, that's it, this was the whole move and they will not give us this 4-5. And this can be happens, guys. From my experience, it happens. This can be just the beginning of upside and we're going. Okay, and then you will see the 50 zone is coming soon if this happens. But we want to be rush on this. We will come break it down and see what we have at the end there and how can we trade it, because we have to set up in there, because longer time frame we said we are in wave 4 and smaller time frame says we are finished and we're going up. Okay, and we're at the bottom. Anyone plays out, it's for your favor. You only look for buy now. Is this the oil I was looking before? Just 1 sec, guys, and let's go to this oil. Where is it? This much better, guys, and here you can see what we're expecting. So that what we see will happen, will plays out. This on 4 hour time frame. Okay, we at least will have this up move, guys, and we did post this one on our trading view page, and we're expecting this move to come to the upside around 29.89. You can take profit here, guys, and wait. And what's the trick in there? Once you break this top, then if this pull back, you buy. Once you break this top, it confirm we are going here. Okay, but so far this can be a one A, B, C, something like this. Okay, stays a while here and drop one more to the downside and then go to the upside. So we're expecting up move. Just see, guys, because this is finished. Okay, in any way we will have, even if they're going to drop, they will have bigger correction, guys. So don't miss the buy. Now where you can buy, don't gamble on the trade, guys. Make sure if this hit the zero, you don't blow up your account. That's it. And trade only this pair. This is huge opportunity in this pair, guys. So let's go quickly to 1 hour time frame and see what do we have in there. I actually was going to say more detail, but yeah. Just let's see what this notification about. Yeah. So we called the bottom earlier, guys. We did poster, we called this one, and we said it's going up, and it did. Okay, from here. What's happening now? Nothing. They are going to go up, and then possible come here, and if they do this, it will confirm we are in sideway for this move. Okay, if they do this, they have to go sharp from here. They have to spike to the upside, do the numbers, and from there we will see. We will wait this correction and buy it, and we will see what happens again. Okay, so if you're buying now, if you already bought this one earlier when we posted this, that's good. Good luck for you. If not, wait to see and maybe put buy stop somewhere on the top and see what happens from there, guys. Do not miss this pair. And if this goes to the upside without you, no problem, guys. Okay, don't jump from the top. Why the pullback? They will pull back and then go. Anyway, if you're investing in this trade, for myself, I just add to this trade. Even if you go against me, I will add, because you are at the bottom and this no way will go under than that. And this is not Bitcoin. When I say Bitcoin, it will crash the floor, I mean it. But this one, it has value, guys. Okay, it's not like Bitcoin doesn't have value, doesn't have nothing. Okay, we're just expecting it will go up, but this can just crash like this and stay there forever. Okay, the most likely oil will do is stay here for a while. Okay, for a couple of months before they take to the upside. That's it. That's the most things they can do, but it will be there forever. Oil, they cannot live without it for now. Okay, there is nothing to exchange with. So anyway, this is oil. Natural gas and oil has big opportunity for you guys to buy. Trade like investor, trade like banker, guys. I want to trade like big trader, okay, like Warren Buffett and those people. You don't gamble at here, okay? You enter a trade here. Let's say, for example, you enter a trade here. If this drop again, enter a trade here. If this drop again, enter a trade again here. If this comes here, enter a trade here, okay? The most they can come down is to 4. And I'm not seeing the 4 is going to come. They can just come here if they want to come, break this bottom slightly and go back up. Because we still, before we get number 4, okay, like we go to 4 bucks, we have to do that bigger correction. I'll clear everything and then show you what I mean by bigger correction. Okay, we have to do this sideway move before we drop to the $4. Okay, it's big move. This you see that because it's on 1 hour, but this is big move, guys. So we will find out this. We will follow up with this, but you only focus on the buy. That's what I can advise you, and trade like investor, and don't try to put all your account in small position, in one position. Don't leave a space for your account to breathe. So let's move on. Let's see what we have next. I did tell you guys we will do. Okay, SPX. I was gonna show you SPX, guys. We did get the bottom. We said, guys, there is not going to drop buyer. This is a stock and it's going up, not down. Watch it, guys. No one was listening? No problem. Okay, we were on the way up. That's it. And what else? I was gonna show you a couple of stuff here before we go. Your New Zealand, you already saw it there. You can check after on my website. I wanna show you something you didn't see. EURUSD, maybe, yeah. Oh, I'm saying last time, where is that? Guys, watch this. I want you to look carefully here. Do you see that move? See how we got it exactly, and we are now here. Okay, watch it. Let's play it. Let's just clean everything and so you can see. See, guys, you see how we dropped exactly how we said, and how is this reacting? Okay, we know when you go to the chart, I tell you what's next on this page. And gold playing exactly. I want to show you DXY as well, because we are about to do it. Guys, DXY, we said we are going up. We put you this one. You will see it playing exactly as we said as well. Okay, this being posted like not long ago. And we got it, and we are on the way up. Okay, that's the power you learn how to trade properly, guys. I want you to learn how to trade like a pro. Anyway, here, this pair, we said it will come here and go up. Okay, watch it. Exactly where is my arrow is. There is nothing by chance, guys. Okay, it's by practice and learning and know what you're looking for. And yes, oil, if you see, we did poster earlier, and we said it's going up, and now it's somewhere around here. Okay, let's now go back to the chart and go quickly to the DXY, because I said I want to do it. I will do this one quickly and tell you what we see in there. So on this pair, if they will give us a complex structure, guys, okay, we are about to do this, and this very like I give 90% preference this will happen. But in case you see this spike to the upside, once we reach this level, okay, once we reach this level, get ready for the sell. There is big sell coming, guys. Okay, from here or from here, we will see this our sell entry, and we will let them, either they will make bigger correction. If they make bigger correction, we maybe buy this last one, move up, because this is safe. Okay, if they do this, we're going to buy this because we know this is going up, and this will be your regular flat, and that is a perfect structure to sell, because this will drop from the crash. Okay, so if they going spike from here, we are going to sell from there, find sell setup. If they go sideways, as I showed you now, we are going to sell as well. And I showed you before, guys, we did anticipate this move from right here. Okay, from right here, and they played out exactly as we expected, and they going up the way we said. So that's why, that's DXY. What else I want to show you guys? The gold. SPX you already saw it in there, so let's move on gold, because I'm trying to make this video very short, guys. It's just an update video for you guys, so you can go and make some money. Okay, we see this happening on gold, guys. Okay, we expecting it, just hide this and tell you where we expecting, so you understand that. Okay, we see this was correction, and this is going upside here. Okay, to the 1800. Okay, to the 1800 here. Where's my mouse is? So this is our target on the gold, guys. Another thing you're gonna be careful on here, just put trend line, this trend line, see this one. Okay, this trend line, put it, and don't buy before we break it if you are buyer, or I don't advise to buy at this top. Just wait on them, because after they reach the 1800, I think we will drop from there. Okay, but for now we are focusing only on the buy. we will go for the buy. Silver we are selling. AUDUSD we are seller. Still, if you watch my previous outlook, guys, because I'm posting this on YouTube, so you guys already watched my outlook. We did forecast this, so you could go from the top. Okay, if you watch that, we forecast this from the top. We said sell. AUDUSD we said sell as well. Okay, if you've been with me here, you will go this move as well. Okay, just watch and see. We did already forecasted this. Come on. Okay, guys, we did forecast exactly from the top. We said they are coming down, and we are on the way down. Okay, put trend line and keep selling on this one for now. Put your trend line here and keep selling under that trend line. Breaking this trend line, exit your trade and wait our next weekly outlook. $20 we're expecting a down move, probably a little up move first. Okay, we're not going to cover. This is not a weekly outlook. This is just quick one for US oil, because the oil is taking the news now. Okay, it's on fire. So buy in the oil. What else I want to show you? Nothing. Natural gas we will do on the weekly outlook better. Okay, guys, this is everything for now. I hope you guys has enjoyed that, and if you guys want to see my setup like this, just follow me on the TradingView. This will help you guys a lot. And also visit my website, thecharttrader.com, guys. This is very helpful, and go to the chart analysis page. This will help you guys a lot. Okay, if this is your first time you watch me, go to this page. This is my website, that's our website, and see what we got for you in there. Okay, there's no sales, nothing, just for you, like sharp technical analysis and stuff, and setup, and we post setup in there, because I'm trying to make a community on my website. Okay, guys, so this is what it's about, and that's it for today. Thank you, guys, and see you next time. Or actually, I just want this to load it so I can show you before we go. Okay, that's why this time just try to go there and take this one and read it and understand it and see what I mean in this one, guys. This has a lot of meaning. Okay, this is what I teach in my course. Okay, this is how you find the structure. They still a lot into it. Okay, and another structure as well, but this is very helpful. This as first step is very good for you guys. So try to understand this as much as you can. Okay, you find on my website as well. So this is what I'm saying. There is live chart. There is my trade setup. Okay, this was our core and gold, guys. Okay, we said it's going up and we are going up. Let me show you. See, and we are now up here. So why did you click this? I have to wait again. So yep. So anyway, guys, if this is first time here, please click that subscribe button and put the notification bell on, and give like for the video as well, and type your comment, guys. If you want me to look for any chart, any specific chart or anything, just type in the comment and let me know, so I can come up with it in my next outlook and forecast it for you. So this Euro New Zealand, guys, we've been saying this for a while. Sell this, sell this. We said buy this and sell this. Okay, and this has played exactly as we said, guys. Okay, we was here. By the way, this is a live chart, you can draw on it. We said buy this and sell this, and we did get it both up and down. Okay, we did send this one in my email list. Some people subscribe to my email list, so I send on weekly basis some good setup. Yep, you can do as well. Just go to the homepage and you will see something they say put your email in the email, so you get my email every week for the perfect setup. We think it's really works. Okay, guys, just down here, just come here, put your email address and send it, subscribe, and so you get my top pick trade setup. So that's all for now, and thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.